Okay, so I would say na malaki yung improvement natin ngayon compared sa, yesterday 'no, to the previous day. Uh, it's also a good morning 'no, I would say. And, we are building our knowledge when it comes to video editing 'no, which is cool 'no. We are building the knowledge for video editing, ayos yun, okey naman siya. So, for this documentation, there are a few things na gusto kong pag-usapan 'no, and, ito medyo madami siya. Kasi, I know I've have some growth, I would say. Okey naman yung growth and, saan ba ako magsisimula? Medyo marami 'to, eh. Okay, so I think, we will start here. I'll just show my Obsidian notes 'no, para mapakita natin. Excuse me. So as you can see here, um, iusad natin ng konti, 'yan. So makikita mo ito yung aking Obsidian, notebook 'no, I would say. And, okey naman. So currently inaayos ko yung sleeping pattern ko, eh. And I have some, I noticed some interesting things 'no, when it comes to tracking and stuff. And, pero ang pinakauna kong sabihin siguro, so makikita natin 'to sunod-sunod. So, okey yung eat progress ko 'no, kung naalala mo ni-record ko kahapon. Sabi ko yung eat is, yung E is acronym 'to, eh. So eating parang, eat after training. So training ko after kumain 'no. So technically I want to build the tolerance or mas mag-improve ako after kong kumain, like hindi ako aantukin. Okey naman. And, ni-record ko rin 'to sa journal ko kanina na, I noticed na kapag, hindi ko alam kung konti lang ba kinain ko or what, kasi kanina hindi naman konti kinain ko, ang dami nga, eh. Pero I'm just actively hindi ko binigla yung sarili ko kumain like, sakto lang, alam mo yun? Like, ang hirap niyang i-explain 'no? Basta parang actively mabagal akong kumain, hindi ko binigla, and I'm actively thinking and preparing na after kong kumain dapat hindi ako antukin 'no. It might be that, kasi minsan kapag mindlessly lang ako na kumakain or I'm indulging, may habit ako na aantukin talaga ako. Hindi ko alam kung habit 'yun, mentally, or may tulong ba talaga na since aware ako na dahan-dahan lang sa pagkain or bawal ako antukin is binagalan ko yung paglunok. Yung pagkain ko is parang chill lang, parang chill, hindi bigla 'no, parang patay gutom shit, kasi gano'n talaga ako kumain, eh, it's like dire-diretso. So, 'yun. So, okey naman yung progress ko today, ayos siya 'no. And, again kaya ko inaayos yung sleeping pattern ko kasi late ako nagigising, eh. So, usually eto pakita ko sa'yo. So, usually nagigising ako dapat around 2 PM 'no, with my clock, with my time. Kaso lately, hindi siya napuyat ako nung nag-ano ako, nagtapos ako ng listing video, kung naalala mo. Um Okay, so ito siya 'no. So, yesterday, inantok ako pagkakain, tsaka sobrang di ako productive yesterday kasi siguro hindi nga gano'n ka-okey din yung simula ng day ko. Ito, actually no, it's supposed Tuesday yesterday. So ito, 'to may inasikaso akong errands, kapagod actually, nakakapagod. Ay hindi, sorry, ito pala 'yun. Tama, ito nga. Basta napagod ako 'no. It's not a good day. Konti lang yung nagawa ko. Oops. Konti lang yung nagawa ko, and, I'm trying to learn from it 'no. Ano bang issue, ba't gano'n? And, 'yun. It's more of like ang lessons ko yesterday, usually dapat wala akong kausap muna bago ako mag-start ng day 'no, wala muna akong kausap para dire-diretso lang yung work. Tapos, 'yan, I mean mas less yung external factors na puwedeng maka-damage sa ano ko, sa day ko 'no. Tapos, okey sa yung isa, um, okey, so, um, okey naman 'to. So, we did it. So, okey yung progress natin sa pagkain, which is good. I'll try to continue it tomorrow, even later 'no. And when it comes to sleeping pattern, kaya yun yung una kong sinabi 'no, kasi ito ano, kaya ko unang sinabi yung sleeping pattern ko na fini-fix ko, ito. Kasi, um, napansin ko na yung ano, tracking. Wait lang nga, organize ko lang, ang gulo, eh. Okey. So, yun nga, yung tracking really helps, no? Herps ang putik. Tracking really helps kasi napansin ko yung fluctuations, eh, no? Napapansin ko yung fluctuations ng tulog ko. So, ito yung example ng last week, no? Yung first week ng August. So, ito yung tulog ko, di ba? So, minsan 10 to 6, tas 7 to 5. Ayun, nagfa-fluctuate siya. Iba-iba yung oras ng tulog ko, pati gising, no? It really helps kasi nagkaka-idea na ako paano ba ang mangyayari 'no, like how should I manage my day? So it really helps. Gustong-gusto ko 'tong setup ko rito when it comes to tracking my week and my daily, tasks on an hourly basis. It's kinda helpful, I like it. Actually, in a way, ang laking improvement na rin nito 'no. I remember a time wherein super, super hirap i-track yung kada oras ng buhay ko 'no. It's very challenging, like seryoso lang men, kung subukan mo. Makakalimutan mo, eh, either makakalimutan mo, well, I still forget about it sometimes, but it's just that again, I'm really keeping an eye on my performance kasi we're trying to improve, eh, 'no? We're trying to improve, and number one, we want to, reach our goals. We need to, again, we need to improve. Meron akong taong na gustong maging, and in order for me to achieve that, I really need to accept that this is a part of the process kasi what you can measure, you can improve. 'Di ba? So yun lang yun. Anyway, it just helps me to, understand and be aware of my performance. Kamusta na ba ako this week, etc. And I can plan my week as well. And again, ang isa pinaka-issue ko is I don't have an idea gaano ba katagal matapos ang isang project. Sobrang hirap niya, men. For example, ngayon may 4 ako na tinatapos na video, 'di ba? I have no idea kung gaano ko siya kabilis tapusin, no? Because again, I don't have the systems dialed up, like hindi pa siya naka-set up talaga. Unlike sa Texas Hill Country Insider, like sa podcast, sa workflow ko dun, napaka-predictable niya, eh, although wala naman masyadong thinking dun, pero it doesn't regardless, I need my thinking to be calculated. I need to build some systems para maayos 'yun, 'no? So, 'yun lang, nakakatuwa lang na, okay, interesting nata-track ko na 'yung sarili ko, 'no? This is not easy kung ano man 'yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Naging natural na lang siya ngayon, which is good, which is my new normal gaya nga ng sabi ko. And, yeah, I just wanna be like this. And, papansin ko rin nga din, again, me overall kung paano ako mag-function ngayon on a daily basis is really different. Before, I call this as nasa momentum ako, eh. Which is again na-notice ko na mali. I mean, hindi naman mali, I just don't want that to be my personality. Because it means sobrang like kapag nasa momentum ako, ginagawa ko yung tama. 'Pag wala ako sa momentum, hindi ko ginagawa yung tama, which is wrong. For me, again, for my standards. My standard is I want this to be the normal, 'no? Kung ano man yung pakiramdam or ginagawa ko, behaviors and actions ko, kung 'pag nasa momentum ako, I want that again to be my new normal, 'no? Gusto ko 'yun ang normal ko. If I'm in the kapag nasa momentum ako, it should be better, 'no? At least, ang baseline natin siguro na nire-reach ngayon is never akong ma-late. I need that to be a new normal or maybe masyadong mataas pa 'yun. So, siguro konting late lang, 'no? So 'yun, siguro dun lang tayo mag-focus, like konting late, once na na-achieve ko na 'yun 'no, konting late, then, hanggang sa hindi na ako ma-late, 'yun na yung new normal hanggang sa advance. Best case scenario ko is maging advance, that is my normal, gusto ko maging gano'n. So anyway, so mahaba yung sinasabi ko, eh. Anyway, so going back to the list, so ang progress ko, so yun yung tracking journey ko, nakakatulong siya 'no, it helps me to review my fluctuations. Tapos isa pa na, ito makikita natin, so yung calendar and EOD. Isa pa sa issue ko is hindi ko so I'm trying to be better 'di ba, overall. And so it starts with the morning. Alam ko nakuwento ko na 'to. So meron akong SOD. Ito nga actually ito 'yun, eh, yung mga list dito ng mga acronyms 'no. So ito SOD. So this is the things that I'm training. So this is my whole day, 'di ba? Hinati ko siya in a way medyo tatlong parts 'no. So I have an SOD sa start of the day. I need it to be right. I have some parameters or not specific. I have some blah 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 KPIs or things that can determine if it's a good morning, bad morning, or a mid morning. Lately, we've been getting good morning, so that's good, no? Yung mid ko is in progress, which is ito na yung eat. Ito na yun yung inaayos natin na pagkatapos kong kumain, inaantok ako. At the middle of the day, hindi na ako nagwo-work ng maayos kasi pagod na or whatever. So we're trying to fix that. And yung EOD, unfortunately, we have no progress at all. And I'm aware, I'm working on this on a ano paunti-unti no. So I'm trying to solve it one at a time. So nag-start ako ng SOD, no, start of the day. Okay, it's working. It feels weird kasi hindi ako sanay, but it's working. I'm proud of myself. I'm happy. So the next thing is try to solve and understand the middle of the day. So nandun na tayo. And as I've mentioned, okay naman, no? We're improving when it comes to the middle of the day, 'di ba? May progress naman. It's lately again, it's mostly like isang kanin lang tapos just be aware na bawal tayong antukin, no? We really need to focus on that kasi okay naman yung SOD natin eh. Tapos yung EOD, wala talaga akong progress. Like, man, might ang SOP ko or dapat kong gawin dito sa EOD or end of day is planuhin yung the next day. So, for example, dito, no? Probably ang next day ko is ang AOD ko dapat is around 5 AM. Ito na yung patulog na ako eh, 'di ba? 5 AM. Tulog ko. Ito ang goal ko pero hindi siya nasusunod. Kung makikita mo, sobrang late ako matulog lately. Late din ang gising ko, 'di ba? So we're trying to fix my sleeping pattern nga, sabi ko. Okay. So instead of 5 AM ako mag-EOD or whatever, like yung patulog na talaga ako, I think 2 hours before my end of day. So currently it's around 3 AM. Dapat mag-EOD na ako. And hindi ko ginagawa dati is wala siya sa calendar ko, no? So yun yung insight ko na bago, no? Yun yung bago kong upgrade sa system ko or update, no? Kailangan kong ilagay siya sa calendar ko kasi pag wala siya sa calendar ko or dito sa tracker ko, wala, hindi ko siya, nakakalimutan ko siya, man. Like at the end of the day or gitna ng araw, wala na talaga. Ang ganda ng umaga ko, productive, 3 hours work, 4 hours work, minsan 5, tas pagkakain, antok, wala na. Pinipilit ko na lang magtrabaho, no? Tas since pinipilit ko na lang magtrabaho at sabog na ako, no? Sobrang fucked up na yung utak ko. Maaalala ko pa ba yung EOD? Wala, no. No, nakakalimutan ko siya palagi, men, wala na. Wala na. So wala rin siya sa calendar kasi. So yun yung magandang update ko so far. Nilagay ko siya sa calendar. So I put the EOD and yung midday ko dito sa calendar which kinda helps, no. So yun, okay naman tayo so far pagdating dun sa part na yun. And yeah, I'm just happy and proud of myself with my performance so far. And I'll probably document something when it comes to the video editing side kasi um, I've been really improving with the video editing kasi so far ang lessons ko sa editing 'di ba is yung cut. Ito nga reminder ko 'di ba yung cut. May bago akong natutunan. So, which is 3D, no? Basta mag-decide ka lang ng 3 beses, parang gano'n. Tapos I'm just checking this kung ano pa bang ma-update ko. Okay naman siya. Um, Again, nasabi ko na 'to. So, I want this to be kung ano man meron ako, no? So, we're still learning, no? Uh, whatever I'm feeling right now, I want this to be the new normal, no? So, yun yung isa and okay, interesting. I think this is it. Okay naman. So, yun. Today is kind of productive, no? Ang isa pa palang aspect na gusto kong sabihin dito is yung pag-una ko ng video editing, no? So, one thing that I want to implement moving forward, kasi effective siya ngayon eh, no? Let's see kung tomorrow rin magagawa ko, no? I want that to be the new normal, no? Let's try. Is, bago ako mag-record, which is today, no? Medyo highlight kasi ng araw ko 'to kung tutuusin, eh. Kasi una, again nagpa-practice ako mag-record ng video. Pangalawa, it just gives me a sense of satisfaction kasi nakatapos ako ng video, in-export ko siya, in-upload ko siya sa YouTube. It's just interesting. It just works, you know? So, usually ginagawa ko 'to at the start of the day, 'no? Pagkatapos ng habits ko, toothbrush, ito na agad, record na. And ngayon, kasi nga may urgent din ako na kailangan gawin which is yung sa video. Ang ginawa ko, okey edit muna tayo, 'pag natapos ko 'tong edit na 'to or yung, task or a specific, step sa workflow 'no, which is yung labeling, nile-label ko muna, tsaka ako magre-record. Which is good kasi I'm looking forward for this. I want to update kasi again, medyo nagiging habit ko na siya, 'tong ginagawa natin, which is good 'no. It's my second week, 'di ba? Actually, it's not just a second week. I've been doing this for a while, pero ngayon lang yung super consistent talaga, no? The time uploading it in public, di ba? Gaya nga ng sabi ko. So, yun lang naman. Ang gulo, no? Ang gulo, I need to practice pa kung paano ko siya i-present. Sobrang gulo ko magsalita. Ang gulo. But it's okay. Well, I'm just doing it for myself anyway. So, yun lang naman ang update ko and I'll upload a video for my video editing uh, growth.